Welcome. If you want to set password on your application in OnePlus 8 Pro, for the first we have to enter the settings. And right now we have to scroll down to enter the utilities. Click on the app locker, and right now draw your pattern or any other log method that you have to put it. And right now click on the add apps. For example, we can go for the Facebook and the Gmail, and I think that's all. So right now go back, and when we want to enter these applications, we'll have to input our pattern. There's on Facebook and also on the Gmail. And this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.